I'm going to show you how to do this easy paper transition in Premiere Pro. Start off by making sure that you have a clip above the clip you want to transition to in the timeline and position them like shown on the video. I'll drag the first strip paper on the video track 4, then select it and in effects controls, uncheck uniform scale and adjust the scale width so it covers your whole video. I'll drag the second strip paper clip below your current one so it's on video track 3. I'll select it and in effects controls, change the rotation to 90, then keyframe position and rotation and change the first position value so the paper is off screen. Then move a few frames forward and change the position so the paper is on the start of the clip and simply change the rotation. Then move a few frames forward again and then do the same thing and repeat this process throughout the clip. And when the paper is at the end, simply move a few frames, then make a cut of both your paper clips and delete them. We now get this weird animation, so highlight your clip with the keyframes on them, then select all keyframes, right click, go to temporal interpolation and change it to hold. It looks way better now. Now we need to make the transition. So highlight your clip with the keyframes on them, then click on this arrow to move to the second keyframe, then select your top video layer and under opacity, click on the free draw Bezier, then zoom out to 10%, then make a mask around your whole frame like this. Now keyframe mask path in effects controls and move the keyframe to the start of the clip. Now move one frame back and click on the circle next to mask path, then move one frame forward again, click on mask 1 and change the mask so it's on the paper. Now go to the clip with the keyframes on them, then move to the third keyframes, then move one frame back, click on the circle, move one frame forward again and adjust the mask. And repeat this process throughout the clip. On the last mask, make sure to align your playhead with the paper clips and then make a cut and delete the leftover. If you during playback get this black border, then make sure to align the playhead on the frame where you get this black border and align the second clip with the playhead. Now click on the next video for an insane Premiere Pro tutorial.